What is going on, everybody? It is Ian here with Miller Garage. So normally whenever we talk about Airstreams and money, the conversation is about, how much they cost, how expensive they are to buy, how expensive it is to renovate them, maintenance, upkeep, and all that kind of stuff. But today, I'm gonna kind of flip that, and we're gonna discuss some of the ways that you can actually make money with Airstreams. And I have 4 different ideas of how to actually make money with an Airstream and not just lose it. So these are all different and unique ideas, and I think that this can be actually really helpful for some people that maybe either have a trailer and they're wanting to find ways to offset the cost of ownership, or maybe they aren't using it as much anymore, or perhaps you are renovating it and like us, life changes happen and you need to figure out something else to do with it. And some of these can actually be really surprisingly lucrative. And we're gonna go through all 4 different ideas and all the way to number 4, which in my opinion is gonna be the best and most lucrative idea. So stay all the way to the end to learn about that one. All right, we're gonna dive in. So idea number 1 of how to make money with your Airstream is to list it on a RV share site like outdoorsy.com or rvshare.com. And both of these are ways that you can rent out your Airstream to somebody else to actually use. So if you have an Airstream or other camper or RV or any of those kind of things, you can actually list it and allow other people to rent it and to use it. And there's a couple different ways to go about it. Sometimes people that have like a tow-behind trailer will actually take it out, set it up at the site, then the person will use it, and then the owner tows it back to their house. That's generally the lower liability, lower risk way to go about it. Or if the person's competent in towing, they can tow it themselves. Now on average, you can get anywhere from like $150 to $250 a day in renting out your Airstream. I've looked at that. You can go check it out yourselves and see some of the different listings out there and what they're going for. Obviously, if you're in an area that is near like national parks or very beautiful recreation areas, then you may be able to charge a little bit more. So on average, you can make, a few $100s up to, $3,000-$4,000 a month, just kind of depending on your location, on the quality of your trailer, all of that. So obviously some downsides of this are there is, probably the biggest opposition that a lot of people have is there is a risk in allowing other people to take your Airstream. And, I do understand, especially with Airstream owners, that especially if you've built it or this has been your dream for so long, that there is no way that you're going to want to let anybody else use it. And I do understand that and would probably agree if I built my own. But, if you perhaps build them specifically for it or buy them specifically for doing this, then that makes a little bit more sense. Some considerations obviously are that Airstreams, being an aluminum trailer, are going to have a little bit higher cost for damage. If you have any exterior damage, any of those kind of things that happen, the cost is going to be a little bit higher for that versus, just kind of one of the cheapo RVs. It is easier to scratch and damage an Airstream, being that it's aluminum. So those are some considerations. But if this is something that you're interested in, that is definitely an option where you can make money with your Airstream. So I'm back inside the shop right now. It is so cold. It's like 25 degrees in Texas right now, which I am not a fan of, which is why I'm all bundled up with my electric heated jacket, which is great. But we'll move on to idea number 2, and that is the path that I took, which is to renovate or build Airstreams to either sell or for, customers, whatever that may be. So if you have some tools and you're pretty handy, I would say very handy. These things are definitely not easy to work on. It's not like a house or a car or a boat. It's kind of a combination of all 3, but and a plane. Don't forget that, because that's what they're based off of. But if you like a challenge and you are really interested and love Airstreams, maybe you renovated your own trailer and you just really enjoyed the process, then that is another way that you can make money with Airstreams. It's definitely challenging. like I said, they are tricky. We have been pretty successful over the past 5 years, but it has not been without its hiccups and all of that. So fair warning there that it is not for the faint of heart. But if you just kind of take it slow, maybe don't go as crazy and try to build a big staff and all that kind of stuff like we did, then it can be enjoyable, or maybe it's something that you're doing on the side. So how much can you make doing that? Well, I'm not going to like fully share what I make or what other people make, but I do know that you have some instances where people starting out slow, it maybe takes them a few years to really build things up, get all the equipment they need, and really get in a groove of it. I know of some shops where they took it slower and it was, 2 to 3 years before they were really turning a profit. I've heard of other shops that really took off fast. We're kind of more of an example of that. And pretty quickly, we're getting into making, 6 figures and a pretty good living and lifestyle. So it definitely can be, but it is one of those niches that you really need to know these things, learn it very quickly, and try to do excellent work, because it's very easy to have problems with these trailers if you try to cut corners. So definitely do not recommend that if you don't intend to do it right. I'm back outside for idea number 3, and that is to build a business based off of an Airstream. So as you can see behind me, this trailer has a service window in it. So this could be used for any number of things. In fact, the very first build that we did that was built out of the trailer that we were going to live in was a coffee shop Airstream. And that is still running in Florida to this day. They still got it rocking and rolling. And that was coming up on 6 years ago that we built and finished out that trailer. So there are a lot of business ideas that you could base off of an Airstream. One of them is like a coffee shop. We did a mobile salon. There are like food trucks. I know we had some people reach out to us that were working on a barbecue pit Airstream. You could do like any number of different things involving like food trucks, concessions, all of that. Lots of opportunity there because, food parks and all that are really popular right now. I'm sure, most major cities have them going in their areas. You could do, I've seen like a mobile barber shop, video game, arcade thing. You could even, theme it around the vintage Airstream vibe and get like vintage arcade games in there, something like that. You could have, there's so many different things. A lot of times people will use them as like pop-ups for like florists or, clothing companies, boutiques, all that kind of stuff. It is a really popular thing in that Airstreams are so popular. So many people, when they're, maybe walking through a fair or anything like that, if they see an Airstream, they're going to go right there. In fact, one of our former employees, Lauren, she has hers set up as her mobile jewelry kind of like living quarters and studio. So she makes all of her jewelry in there, and she goes around to different pop-ups and all that kind of stuff. She does Round Top in Austin area in the Hill Country. She does that on a regular basis, and that's a huge thing that tons of people go to. And she gets a lot of attention because she has the Airstream there. People absolutely love it. They love Airstreams. So not only is it a great way to just move your business around that looks good, but it's going to draw a lot of people because they're so popular. And this one behind me actually is one that we built. We were intending to operate it ourselves, and we actually built it out as a photo booth and mobile bar. So the front part is a photo booth and the back is a mobile bar. And it was going to be used for like weddings and events and parties and all that kind of stuff. Ultimately, we have decided that it doesn't align with kind of our vision for life. We want to, not be having our time taken up on weekends and nights and all that kind of stuff. I've done the wedding photography thing in the past, and to be honest, I just kind of don't want to go back into that in prioritizing family. So we actually have this thing for sale, and it's not 100% built out inside, but and it's lacking a few things, as you can see, like some of the badges and all of that. There'll be a second AC on it, but it is for sale. It's listed down below. We have information about it on our website and on like Airstream classifieds and stuff like that. So this thing is available. We can build it out however you want it as well, which is a huge plus. You know, normally this thing, if we did one very similar to this, we built it out without the cost of the trailer, it came in at about $80,000. So we have this thing priced below that. And it is a great deal, honestly, versus if you were to build it yourself or pay somebody to build it, you're going to be spending a lot more money. So this thing is priced really good. So this is a great, you know, starter if you're interested in doing a business with an Airstream. We got the perfect one for you. So this is one of the things that's so great about the Airstreams is that because of the way that they're constructed, it is so easy to customize them, to build them exactly how you want. And you can put like these service windows in the side, and really do so much. With kind of a more traditional RV or trailer, you really can't do anything like this with it. So that's one of the cool things about Airstreams. Plus, the aluminum construction is going to last so much longer. So from an investment standpoint, an Airstream makes a lot more sense. It's a little bit windy out, so the door just slammed. But an Airstream makes a lot more sense because it's going to last so much longer, and the money you spent is going to be, you know, a good investment. Plus, they hold their value. So if you decide you want to sell the business, then it makes it a lot easier to liquidate your assets and sell it and not lose money on it. So it's kind of hard to tell because this lens can only get so wide, but up here in the front is where the photo booth was going to be, and then there's this dividing wall that opens up into the back area, which is where the mobile bar part is. And so you can build it out with like, you know, cabinets, and we have one drink cooler already that is available to go with it. We also have the photo booth setup that is available to go with it. It's kind of like a retro touchscreen photo booth. It's really cool, but just like we said, not really ultimately in alignment with our family vision. So, you know, everything about this thing is basically brand new. It's got new CUSA subfloor, all new electrical, insulation, new skins, the frame's been all repaired, new axles, new wheels and tires, polished. I mean, this thing is like basically 85–90% brand new. So it is really nice. It looks really good. I'm super happy with how everything turned out. I really like the white in the front and the black in the back. I think for the kind of wedding vibe, that makes a lot of sense because you got the bridegroom contrast there. So I'm a big fan of it. So if you're interested, hit us up. It is available as of the shooting of this video. Hopefully it'll be going pretty quick because we need to get it moving along to its new home. And now we have arrived on idea number 4 on how to make money with an Airstream. And that is to turn an Airstream into a short-term rental. So this would be anything from like Airbnb to building like a full Airstream resort or hotel, you know, like a boutique hotel sort of thing. And actually that is what this trailer is for. We are right in the middle of this project, and this is 4 identical Airstreams. They're all 31 footers, and they're all going to be used as a short-term rental. It's essentially a boutique hotel. It's going to be in Southside, Fort Worth, in Texas here. And these are going to be basically just hotel rooms that are in an Airstream, which makes them very unique. It is, again, that whole like Airstreams are cool and everybody is drawn to them. They want to stay in them. They want to, you know, get up close to them, look at them, all that stuff. So these can really be a good business investment when it comes to building like an Airbnb setup or you know, like a glamping resort, or even in this case, like an actual boutique hotel. So with this one, it's going to be like some casitas, or not like the trailer, the casita, but like a small house casita that are going to be additional rooms, and then they're going to have a courtyard area, and then there's going to be the 4 Airstreams in that courtyard, and you can stay in any of those different options there. It's going to be called Outpost Casitas, and it's, like I said, it's going to be in Southside, Fort Worth. Depending on when you watch this video, there eventually will be a link to it. They don't have their website up yet. They're still under construction, obviously, here and there. So it's probably going to be like September, October of 2025 when that opens up. So excited about that. We have been working hard on all of these. We have This one and one other one are about that same phase. They're pretty close to being done. We just need to get like countertops, floors, and a few other things knocked out on them. Then we have two others that are not quite as far, but we're, just working on all that. So even if you have like a new trailer or a vintage trailer and you've been throwing around this idea, it definitely can be a good idea. A couple different ways you can go about it. One is, like let's say you have some space on your property and you have hookups, you can just set that up, list it on like Airbnb or any of those sites and have people come stay in it. And technically, it could be a flex use thing where you rent it out as an Airbnb some and then you actually still take it out and use it. There's those different options. If you're charging anywhere from $150 to $250 a night, again, it's pretty conceivable and realistic to make a few $1,000s a month off of it. Obviously, if you build a bigger operation, you have an actual, facility, you have 4, 5, 6 of these. I mean, you can be getting into the $20,000 to $40,000 a month income sort of range by building one of these facilities. So it can definitely be very lucrative. Obviously, there's a much bigger capital investment on the front end than just, some of the other options we've talked about. But, again, when we're talking about total ROI on it, this is definitely the most lucrative of all of these different options. So I know a lot of people may not want to turn their Airstream into a revenue machine, but if you do think that that's something that would be interesting, we hope that this video was helpful, gave you a little bit of information. We do understand that a lot of people, just love their Airstreams. They love taking them out. They couldn't imagine somebody else staying in them or using it, and we totally get that. But this is just, to give ideas for anybody who's looking for, like a business idea and they really like Airstreams. Here's 4 different options there. Or if, maybe you do have your Airstream and you just don't use it that much. This can be a way to maybe help pay some of the bills, all that. We know that prices of everything have been going up like crazy over the past few years. So any way that you can, add that extra revenue stream into your income can be a huge benefit. Well, as always, I appreciate everybody following along, watching our videos. We want to be a great resource for the Airstream community. We want to be bringing this content continually. So ways that you can help us out in a big way is to subscribe to our channel, comment, let me know if you have any other ideas, any other ways that you could see making money with an Airstream. We'd love to hear that. Throw around some other ideas. It's always good to just share with each other. And if anybody's really looking, then throwing out some other ideas would be great. All right, we appreciate it, and we will see you next time.